Hi everyone, welcome if this is your first time here. My name is April, this is the Frugal Planner channel, and if this is a return trip for you, welcome back. I have a really cool planner that I found over on Amazon. It comes in a bunch of different covers and sizes. This cover and size, the polka dot, was $6.99. There's a couple great things about this notebook, or this planner, that I absolutely love. Number one, this clear cover, very durable. And then it's got like a cardstock piece as the second. You've got your yearly overview right here. Make sure, there we go. Worried we weren't in screen there, sorry. And then you have, this planner belongs to your address, phone number, and email. Top 5 goals for the year. I think 5 goals for the year is genuinely a good amount. That's less than 2 or 1 every other month. Then you've got your contacts, your important dates, which for me isn't a whole lot of room, but that's what I use the monthly for. And secret, I'm not using this for personal. This will strictly be for work, and I'll show you why. I'm going to flip over to September. So here's the month of September. They all look alike, and it goes all the way through to June of 2026. So if you ordered this planner today, you could move in today. So if this is something that you're like, oh, this is going to work well for me, you can grab it today and move into it as soon as it's delivered. So this is your month. This is the layout that they give you. You've got a monthly goals section over here. You've got your previous month, your future month, a notes section. That's going to change depending on how many days at the bottom there are for the month. And then you've got Sunday start, Saturday finish. It's very, very nice. I think the font that they used was a good choice. I think it just looks clean, looks very minimalist, very organized. My favorite thing about it is this is what the week looks like. It is an academic planner. However, I'm using it for work. So it's got your class subject over here, and then it's a vertical layout. You've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If you work Monday through Friday like I do, this is the perfect notebook or perfect planner to sit on your desk and have available. I've really enjoyed it. So I actually started using it on Thursday. I was sick on Wednesday. So all of Wednesday's stuff got moved to Thursday, which was an easy thing to do. And you've got at the top this week's goals. You've got your date, week 36. Everything is well contained. And last week I wasn't sure what I was going to use this for. And then this week I was like, okay, I need to remember that I've got these downloads that I need to get over. I have, this that needs to be done. I've got this one report that needs to be cleaned up for the UCR, cleaned up the IBR cases, and then sent off an email about expunctions and fingerprint cards. So these are like my highlights so far for the week. And I think that's going to work out so very well. Did I get a paper smudge? Oh, it's an ink smudge. Darn it. So up at the top here, you've got August, September, and October as a glance, which I really like too, because if I'm planning something or I have something in advance that I've got in my book, I can put a dot on that date so that I know to flip over like to January and see, oh yeah, I've got a meeting at 10. I'm not going to be able to do that, same thing. I really, really like this. I have enjoyed this. I know I talked about it, that you move into a planner for a week and you absolutely love it. So I'm going to test this out at least through the end of the year at work and see how I like it so far. It has everything in it that I would need to function at work. Plenty of space during the day. I love that they're lined. I'm not like a straight writer if I don't have a line, so I appreciate that they're lined columns. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this one. And for $6.99 to have it go from July 2025 to June 2026, I feel like that's a frugal deal. And if I want to decorate some of this, I sure could. I could, I've got a couple of highlighters that I used this week so far. If I wanted to put some stickers in it, I absolutely could. Do I plan on doing that? No. I plan on keeping it very, very minimalist, maybe just highlighters, just to mark things that I need to mark. I might take one of my Crayola colors of the world and mark in, you know, dates in the future if I have things going on, maybe paydays, maybe not. But I just want to have it as, you know, like a daily, here we go. And then at the end of the month, we start into the next. So I can't remember if there's any note pages. Let's go back and look. Let's go back. Oh, there is a pocket back here. It's pretty thick. So there's a pocket on this side and a pocket on this side. So you can store stuff if you'd like. You've got holidays, and this is that shiny paper. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. So one page, roughly, well, 12 pages. I was going to say one a month, but this is a 16-month planner. So 12 pages of notes, which is pretty good. The paper quality feels a little heavier than regular copy paper, but it has that same film on it. It's still toothy, but it does have a slick film on it. I'm only really planning on using my G2s on this notebook. That's what I use at work most of the time. I might throw in a Muji once in a while, but for the most part, it is mostly my Pilot G2s. So that is my plan with that. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this layout. I also put in my time up at the top of when I'm going in. Let me know what you think of this layout. Would this be something that you could put on your desk at work? It's very compact. It's not very big. It is 8 1/4, fully opened. It's going to be about 12, so 6. Yeah. So it's not an overly large planner. I think for me, I don't like the bulkiness. Sorry about that. On my desk, I like to have something that's smaller. And with this one, it totally lays flat. So that's all the real estate I'm taking up on my desk, unless, you know, I have it open for meetings or I'm doing other things. And with the note pages in the back, if you take meeting notes, you could do those back there. You have 12 whole pages to use. So let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this flip through and kind of introduction to this planner. Again, I will tag the polka dot down below. It is available on Amazon right now. It was $6.99 when I picked it up last week. I hope you have an amazing day. I love you. I'll talk to you in the comments. Okay, bye.